Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com. LearnCrypto.io for this week's Week in Review, March 17th, 2024. On stocks, I was looking for lower last week. You can see here on our Wyckoff wave, a little lower Monday and then sideways. Technometer still down here, 49.92, so I still look for this market to work lower. Wyckoff wave new index, I talked about testing the highs and needing a pullback. I still, same thing, look for that, 48.92. Wyckoff wave growth index, looks like we had an upthrust and a test. Looking for lower there as well. The SPY, you can see here, I gave a sell there on Friday. Got a slight profit on the short sell. You can see I did that because we had the new highs in price, while volume is not. Volume is sideways here. So that's a bearish indication. Somebody's selling into that rally, so let's look for lower on the SPY. TLT, we was long, and I said to use a stop in the long positions at 94. You would have got stopped out of that. So that trade is out for profit. Technometer's 41, so let's look for, again, still another new low here sometime, maybe down here at this previous support at 92. So we'll watch that this week for a long opportunity. Crude oil, we said still higher, stay long XLE. Crude made a new high on Thursday, continuing to work higher. Technometer is overbought, but action looks good here. XLE looks really good. We're long that and have been long, as you know. Technometer again, overbought, but price action looks good. Volume coming in the upside. I'm sure somewhere here we'll have a pullback. We're back at that 92 level, but oil continues to still look good. GLD, same thing. I talked about a jump and now some type of backup. I'd look for sideways here. That's what we're getting. And hopefully the technometer comes down closer to 40 and add on to long positions in gold and silver. Gold futures, same type of setup. Gave us a nice buy divergence at the bottom per the green arrows. Action looks good. Silver had a good week. Silver gave us extremely good buy action down there at the lows at 22. So silver still higher. Dollar, I said to stay short with a stop at 103.90, lock in small gains. Still think that's the trade. You can see here the OP, same here sideways, so stay short the dollar. Bitcoin, haven't had much action. We was wanting a pullback. We did get that here over the weekend. You can see here it's a little cluttered. I'll break into this, but you had price going up while volume didn't. Volume was sideways here while price is headed higher. That is a divergence. That finally hit the markets here this weekend. If we go into a 15-minute chart, I showed this for our Discord. Again, on crypto, I do throw a little bit of Elliott wave on it to back up my positions with the Wyckoff method. I had shown 5 waves down in red and an ABC up. And then we had another 5 waves down to a new low here overnight. We're bouncing pretty strong, so if we get above this 69.4 level, 69.6 level, we might be headed still to new highs, or we continue to stop right here and hopefully go back down and see 64 or below. And then maybe our technometer can get down there to oversold. We got to 40.5 earlier today, but not oversold. So let's look, let's monitor this market for Bitcoin and Ethereum and try to get a buy set up. These are Bitcoin futures. Let's go back here to the day or to the daily. We can look here again for our trusted divergences. We had those here as well. You had new highs rallying in price while volume, you can see here. Spread that out a little bit, make it easier to look at. You can see that volume was not coming into the upside on that rally. So that's why I still think there might be more downside to come. So we'll watch that here. Apple, we gave that great sell up there at 189.17. We have said to stay short. We are down here support. Action does not look good. We had some volume come into the upside. So we might stick our head up here at 176 or something this coming week. But we're still short Apple.